Hello everyone, and in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select General Management, and here enroll reset options. Under reset options you will find a reset all settings. Click on it. And now, if you really want to remove all setup that you've made on this device, except security settings, language, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps, just mark Reset Settings. Click on Reset. If you do have some fingerprint ID added, lock screen pattern password just provided before reset. And now just unlock your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.